मॉर्निंग एंड जय हिंद स्टूडेंट्स। सरस्वती शिशुकुंज वगवाला बोरसद इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स, this is another video of standard 4th subject EVS. Standard 4th subject EVS. In this video you will going to learn about an interesting story, and the name of the chapter is Anita and the Honey Bees. So this is chapter number 6 in EVS. The name of the chapter is Anita and the Honey Bees. Now students, after listening to this chapter's name, you will think that why this chapter's name is Anita and the Honey Bees. So let me tell you students, this is a story of a little girl Anita, who is a very brave and who wants to go to school. But some students, especially girl children, are not very fortunate like other girl children who can go to school. Why? Because their family condition is not very good. So her parents, they are not afford to let her to go to school. But still Anita fights with her fortune, and at the end she goes to school and overcome all the difficulties. So you have to learn about a little girl Anita in this chapter. So students, this is a true story of Anita Khushwaha. Is a girl star. What is Girl Star project? Girl Star is a project which tells extraordinary tales, means stories of ordinary girls who have changed their life by going to school. Anita, who herself goes to school and also inspires many girl children to go to school and do great work in their lives. So students, now let me begin with the story. This is a story of Anita Khushwaha. She lived in Bochaha village. This is in Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. She stayed with her parents and two younger brothers. She studied in college. Besides studies, she taught young children. Besides studies, she also taught young children. She also kept honey bees. Now students, for Anita, all these things was not been easy. When she was young, she used to spend all her time with her goats in the farm as they grazed for food. She always wanted to go to school. Anita always wanted to go to school, but her parents did not like the idea of girls going to school. Anita wanted to go to school, but her parents, they did not like the idea of Anita going to school, because in those days the parents are hesitate to send their girl child to school. Now, how a dream of going to school happened with Anita, that you have to learn. One day she peeped into the school in her village. She could not stay away. She silently went and sat down behind the children. Means Anita silently went to the school and sat beside other children. She felt so happy. She was very happy after going to school. She went home and picked up courage to talk to her parents about going to school. It means that when Anita went back to her home after going to school, she talked bravely, means she had the courage now to talk to her parents about going to school. But they told her clearly, Anita's parents told Anita clearly that she could not do so, that she could not go to school. That day she cried and cried. After some days, one of the teachers in her village, they met her parents, explained to her that why it is important to study. The teacher told them that they would not have to pay anything for her education up to class 8. So, when the teacher explained to the parents of Anita that they would not have to spend a single rupee up to standard 8, the teacher said that it was the right of every child to go to school. Now, our government has also announced that it is mandatory for every child to go to school up to the standard 8. So, these things also explained very well by Anita's teacher to her parents. After listening this, somehow her parents agreed. She started going to school. She did not get high marks, but she always asked many questions. After going to school, Anita did not get high marks, but she was very interested in study, that she always used to ask questions to her teachers. Now, how she is studying in school? After some time passed, and soon she completed class 5. She knew that she would need to spend more time in class 6. Her parents said that it was time for her to leave school, but Anita wanted to study more. What happened? Her parents told her that it was time for her to leave the study, but Anita wanted to go to school. So what Anita did? She found a way to do this. She started to teach younger children. What did she do? She started to teach younger children from the money that she got. When Anita started to teach younger children, whatever money she earned, continued her own studies. Slowly, she started talking to other parents in the village about sending their daughters to school. Her parents also started helping her in her work. Her mother used to do all the household work so that she could get more time to study. You will learn the remaining part of this story in the next video. So students, this was a story of Anita, how she fights with her poor condition and she goes to school to improve her future. So students, before ending this video, let us discuss the answers of worksheet. Now students, let us discuss answers of worksheet. In this worksheet, question number 1 is answer the following questions. First, whose story it is? So answer, it is a story of Anita Kushwaha. Second number question, what is Girl Stars project? So answer, the Girl Stars is a project which tells extraordinary tales of ordinary girls who have changed their life by going to school. I repeat again. The Girl Stars is a project which tells extraordinary tales of ordinary girls who have changed their life by going to school. Third number question, where did Anita spend her time? Answer, she used to spend her time with her goats as they grazed for food. Fourth number question, what did Anita wish? Anita wished for going to school. Answer, Anita wished for going to school. Fifth number question, how did Anita manage her study? Answer, she found a way. She started to teach younger children. From the money that she got, she was able to continue her own studies. This is how Anita managed her study. And the last question, what did this story teaches us? Answer, this story teaches us that it is the right of every child to go to school. So what did this story teach us? It teaches us that it is the right of every child to go to school. Now student, this is one part of this story. The next part I will going to explain in the another video. I hope you have understood up to here. Thank you.